My name is Dr. Lopez. I've been a practicing orthopedic surgeon in the Tampa community for the past 20-odd years. I practice general orthopedic surgery and hand and upper extremity surgery. My interest in orthopedics stemmed from my college experiences where I was interested first in athletic training. Through those exposures, I had access to the team physician for the teams at the university I attended, and my interaction with the orthopedic surgeon sprung my interest into orthopedic surgery of getting people better, getting people back onto their feet and out into their sport, and better than they were before, hopefully. I think the FOI care model is world-class orthopedic care centered on the patient. I think the care is tailored to the patient at a very expert level, and it will lead to better outcomes. And I think the physician-patient interaction is very, very important. When you meet a patient, you have to first listen and get the story right. That will lead to the correct diagnosis, and the treatment plan will stem from that. I don't believe that they should live in pain. That's true for my 89-year-old patients as for my 20-year-old patients. I think the cumulative effect of that knowledge leads FOI to be the eminent orthopedic practice in Florida. It's a great feeling knowing you have very knowledgeable expert partners in the building that you can coordinate care for the patient for and make their outcome much better. The best thing and the best feeling I have every day is when we're finished with a treatment with a patient and they say thank you. Much more than anything else that occurs on a day-to-day basis, that gives you a tremendous feeling of satisfaction that you've helped the patient stop their pain, get back to their activities, and get back to their passion.